All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to try to show you how to eliminate like odors in your truck or your car. Maybe you just bought a used car from somebody and they either smoked in it or they had dogs in it a lot, and maybe you have a real bad dog smell or smoke smell in your car. This is the first thing I would try. It may not 100% always work, but this is the easiest thing to try before you do anything else. I recommend just replacing your cabin air filter and then running one of these air refreshers by Meguiar's. I'll go over how to run this in this video. All right, before you do that, I recommend taking a vacuum and vacuuming your car or truck out as good as you can, and then maybe go through and clean it up. Maybe use some of this Meguiar's cleaner here. Clean your car out as good as you can. Then you're going to change that cabin air filter, and we're going to run that air refresher. It's kind of like a little bomb that's going to go off inside this truck or your car if you have a car that has like a bad like animal smell or whatever. I just bought this vacuum. If you want to check this vacuum out, like everything I'm talking about in this video, I'm going to put it down in my description and maybe in my first comment. I wanted a vacuum that was real close to the same power as my big vacuum, so I bought this little vacuum and I really like it. All right, if you've never changed your cabin air filter, 99% of the time is right behind where your, now I already have mine off, it's right behind where your glove box is. And I guess I can show you real quick. This glove box has, I push in both of these sides here and it pops down a little bit. And then right here, this little piece here, I had to pop off of right here. Glove boxes in most cars are real similar, so that's how I got behind there. And then I'll show you. All right, right back up in here, I had to take this little door off right here, and I pulled out this filter right here. Now when you pull your filter out, watch for the arrows on your filter, because you're going to match this arrow with the new filter. If you got a brand new filter, match the arrow on your new filter so you can put it in the same way. Now, put my cover back on. Glove box back on. Ugh, there we go. All right, I did step one, like I said. Try to clean your car as good as you can by vacuuming it out, maybe scrub it out, or if there's something actually, you can see something in there that's making the smell, get it out of there. Now I'm gonna jump inside. I'm gonna start this truck up, or you start your car up. And I'm gonna put my fan on high. I don't want it on auto. I'm going to turn the air conditioner on. And then I want to put it on recirc. It'll look similar to that. So we're going to do that. Shake this up good. Take the cap off. And then there's just a button on the top. I'm going to push that down till it locks. And I'm going to let this truck run for about 15 minutes with that fan on high, and hopefully that takes a lot of the smell out. Sometimes I wonder if I would have left that, if I would have left my cabin air filter out while I did this, if that would have been a good idea. I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments if I could have left that out while I ran this. If it's not real dusty and dirty, I think it might have really got this through the system. But right there in the center. Turn it on, now shut the door, and start my stopwatch. Now I'm going to come back in 15 minutes. All right, that's been 15 minutes. Whew, smells good in here now. Now I'm just going to turn the truck off. Then it says after you're done doing that, to open your doors up and let your truck or car air out for about 10 to 15 more minutes. Set a timer for 12 minutes. That should be good. All right, well, that's about it for this video. If running one of these air refresher cans does not work and just cleaning your truck or car out and changing your cabin air filter, you may have to maybe just go to the next step and have all your carpets shampooed, or you could shampoo them. I do have a video of me using my Hoover shampooer shampooing the seat in my truck. That shampoo would also work for my carpets, so you could watch that video or just pay somebody to shampoo your carpets. All right, I hope this video helped you out. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I love to read all them comments. And hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.